Welcome to this Easy Tech Fixes news channel, and this is a little rant video that I would have here about computer hardware and how it has become apparent that there's a lot of online scalpers that actually kind of buy new gear to make a fake shortage and then sell it at a high price on eBay or on other sites. And I think this has become a big enough problem that it should actually be checked and made sure that it can't happen. There are some out there that actually what they do is they make sure that they buy all the stock of a certain device. And right now, one of the problems that's happening is the newest graphics cards that are very powerful graphics cards for gamers that are coming out. Radeon, AMD has the Radeon high performance cards coming up. Of course, there's NVIDIA with its latest GeForce graphics adapters, and they're not even out yet. That they are already out of stock. I mean, they already have reached the pre-order limits that they have, and of course, that means that no one will really get one right now. And the reason why is that they will be shipped to these scalpers that will actually sell it at twice or three times the price on eBay and different websites. I would like that eBay and big companies actually terminate accounts of anybody that does that, because I'm sorry, but this is unacceptable. It cannot be done. This is not the way it works. Companies sell these devices at a certain price, and they should be available to the people that want them at that price, and not having to have the scalpers get these things at a very high price. Same thing happening with the newest, PlayStation consoles, the newest Xbox consoles. There's a big buying of all the stock to sell it at a much higher price on eBay. So I am a little tired of that type of business going on, and I think this should be checked. I mean, the companies making these devices should actually even complain and make sure that they terminate accounts of anybody that has done that. And I mean, if you're one of those that purchase like tons of them, I hope you can't sell them anywhere and that you're stuck with it, because that would be the best thing that can happen, so that this type of market does not continue. It is unacceptable that we cannot have our devices at the more decent prices and they're already very expensive actually. So let's make an end to that type of market, because it is unacceptable. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.